Today we're performing our SETT process for carpet cleaning. This is a low moisture, hypoallergenic approach to carpet cleaning. Carpet will dry in about an hour. This is for a client that has a small child and they have a couple of pets, and this job has a lot of obstacles in the way, so we're going to have to be careful, and that's why we're using a 13-inch SETT extractor. First step in the process is DISE, dry insoluble soil extraction. This is an ultra low moisture method of carpet cleaning as well. Ultra low moisture is ULM. And we're going to end this job with the post DISE process, which is very important because as we clean this carpet, we use this SETT machine. A lot of the soil that gets missed from the dry insoluble soil extraction gets brought to the surface as we use this machine. So we do perform a DISE process. I believe on this job, we're going to groom the carpet and then we're going to post DISE. It's a great way to rejuvenate the carpet, hypoallergenic form of cleaning, and a great way to get as much of that dry insoluble soil out of the carpet as possible. Now with SETT, we are extracting a water-soluble soil. The water-soluble soil from the carpet gets transferred on to the pad, this microfiber pad. So it gets transferred there and it absorbs into the pad all the dirt and water-soluble soil. This is a very conservative approach to cleaning. It's a very efficient way of cleaning carpet because we're not using so much water. It's a myth that you need all this water and you can flush out all the dirt and soil and contaminants from the carpet with, 30 to 40 gallons of water. That's just not true. That's not true at all. You can efficiently clean the carpet with minimal amounts of water. And that's why I brought this method to Tallahassee. I'm the first one to bring SETT to Tallahassee. I'm the most prolific cleaner in Tallahassee. And I don't like the word cleaner because that's a very generalized term. I prefer specialist because we specialize in the SETT method. That's what we do. That's all we do as far as the cleaning of carpet and hard floors. We just used only the SETT method to do so. And no method can completely remove all the soil from the carpet. It's impossible. You can't sanitize the carpet per se. You can't really disinfect the carpet. You can make the carpet cleaner and safer, but you can kill some of the bacteria and viruses that are in your carpet. You just can't kill all of them, but you can make the carpets fresher, safer, cleaner, and definitely improve the appearance of the carpet. And that's what we're doing here with SETT. And when I brought this method to Tallahassee many years ago, by the way, I have ample videos, ample documentation in my portfolio. I've been releasing them lately to show you, the viewer, the resident of Tallahassee, that there is an option to carpet cleaning. Steam cleaning is not your only option. There is an option. There's a low moisture option, and it's called SETT.
Switch it up. come again. come again.